Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another great day, Michael. We got a new build. It came in, we got it inside the shop, which is good, thanks to that new forklift we got. You like the forklift?
It's nice.
It's working really good.
As long as it works, yeah.
So pretty much today, Michael, we don't have the keys, we can't start it. We did find the other person, and they're gonna send it. Hopefully it'll come in today, we can start it.
That would be great. Make it or break it. Honestly, I'm gonna love the project or hate it, depending on that. Hopefully it runs.
Depends. If it's good, then you know we're not in a money pit. It's gonna be good. It's not gonna be like a parts car because we don't want a parts car.
Yeah, read out your guys' comments. You guys are saying that it's too bad, forget it, scrap it, parts car. But I don't think so. Hopefully, if it starts, it'll be good.
Plus, you know, I want to paint something yellow, Michael. Like this would be a great project to paint it yellow. It's almost there. It's green,
almost, but that's not a paint job. That's a wrap.
It's a wrap. That means we gotta paint it yellow. You know, this would be exciting if we get it running. Well, hopefully today we're gonna take it apart, wait for the key to come in, then we'll start it. But we gotta take apart, you know, take the fender off, the front bumper, everything that we can see if there's any other additional damages to make sure we can order all the parts. But hopefully we start ordering parts after we get it running.
I mean, yeah, hopefully the key will come in, we'll have everything taken apart, and hopefully it starts, and then we can move forward. Honestly, that is the make it or break it kind of thing, but
I'm excited though. You know,
it should, yeah, hopefully it will. Yeah, guys, yeah, stay positive. It's gonna be okay.
I mean, our last Porsche didn't do so.
Not so much, yeah.
But you know, we still got it fixed. We still got rid of it. We sold it. So let's go ahead and tear apart the front end, mess with the rear end, and go from there. Alright guys, just like that, we got this fender off, the headlight. I got my old paint mixing thing. We're still some, you know, we gotta be organized, Michael.
Oh yeah.
Since we're gonna paint this thing yellow, we gotta be organized, you know?
I don't know.
Think about it, we're almost there. Like we have to replace the fender. The hood, we can keep it black, you know, it'd be cool. And then the bumper has a new bumper, new fender. You gotta bondo this, gotta fix, I mean, you might as well paint it yellow. What do you think, Michael?
I mean, it needs a whole paint job, but I don't know yellow, guys.
You guys comment down below. Let's get it yellow, you know. Gotta get convinced Michael, and you already got me convinced because I love painting yellow. So, but anyways, let's check out the damage. So the top strut looks pretty good. It's got aftermarket, or it's got like an adjustable camber kit. So, because I was thinking the strut's bent, but this might be able to just slide it out.
Yeah.
And good, but then I was looking down here on the strut, and you can see like a bulge right there.
That's bad, yeah.
It doesn't have a bulge there, but it has a bulge here, so...
That's probably bad.
That's probably, that means we can probably drill these out even more, and we can like slide it all the way out. Or get the frame machine, just pull it, or just replace the strut. You know, whatever's easier. I think the strut's gonna be easier. But I mean, this thing had like so many bolts. Look, it's got a bracket. This thing was jammed, so we definitely need all this new. Probably a strut so far on this side. And then washer tank. You gotta take the washer tank out to take off the fender. Like, what are they thinking? But anyways, this side's finally off. Let's go ahead and take off the other side. The other side should be a little bit easier. There's no washer tank. And go from there. We can check out the strut and make sure the upper piece, or this upper tub is good. Maybe take the battery off, let it go get a charge. Because, oh look, it's got tire thing. See that? Wow.
Wow.
You know, fill up your tires. But what if the rim's broken?
Do a little more than that, yeah.
A little more than that. But let's go ahead and take this side apart and go from there. All right, so we got the passenger fender off. So as we know, all this looks bad, so we have to replace this. The bracket's looking good. The upper tub is looking good too. We got the negative camber, so the struts we're gonna have to replace. This one looks like it's bent right there too. So we got that little bracket bent, the lower control arm, the indle. So a lot of suspension needs to be replaced. Also the AC canister hangs right here, so maybe we'll have to replace that. The gas lid, that was a little bit of pain. So you gotta pull out the fender, then you kind of take it apart. But then we got a little bit of damage on the door. I don't know, a lot of progress. So I don't know if we want to maybe try to take off the side skirts next, because the side skirt definitely needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and maybe mess with that. Alright, so the side skirts were pretty easy. All it has is one little bolt right there. It's got these clips, which I figured out. All you have to do is spin them and they pop out. On the other side I kind of broke them off. This side you just spin, pop them off. 1, 2, and 3. And inside, it just all on clips. So it makes it pretty easy. Next thing we want to do is maybe go ahead and take off this rear bumper, because the spoiler trunk's not too bad. But this thing's got a little bit of damage right here. Well, maybe it looks like maybe take the taillights out first. Figure out how to take that out. And then take this bumper off. Let's try it. All right, so just like that, we got the spoiler off, we got the rear bumper off,
That thing's huge.
and everything's looking good on this side, but this side, we got some damage, you know, and we're gonna have to probably pull it. That's gonna be much later, because something really exciting came in. Hopefully this is the keys. Shout out to Russell. We got his keys. Now it's our car, so kind of exciting. We got the keys, so we're saving a lot of time now bringing this to the Porsche dealer, because our key guy said, good luck. Like literally he said good luck. Like
wow.
it's a lot of work. So this saved us a lot of time and money. So thanks again, Russell, for sending it out.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. That's awesome.
So I mean now, we pretty much took it apart. The best thing to do next would be try to start this thing.
Yeah.
I took the battery out, it's charging, so we got a jump box. Let's see if it, you know, turns on. 'Cause that's exciting. I mean,
oh yeah, let's do it.
you can't really check the oil. Can we check the oil?
So you fill it, right?
It smells like there's oil in there. So that's kind of exciting. I don't think we need coolant because all the radiators are bad. But it's exciting. Mike, are you excited?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's open it up. And we got 2 keys, Michael.
Wow.
One's already wrapped like the car,
Dang.
one's silver. Maybe we should paint it this way. All right, let's go ahead and let the battery keep charging. We got the jump box, let's get the jump box. All right, so we got the keys. Let's go ahead and verify that they're the right keys. I mean, I would probably.
I think so. Yeah, it looks like it.
I mean, it has to be the right keys. You know, look at that. So it has to be. But let's go get the jump box and see if this thing turns over.
Yeah, negative right there. Positive on the other side for sure.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's red.
Yeah, negative.
Hey, I'd rather check. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah. Might as well look at it twice.
we don't want to have problems. Unnecessary problems.
We already have problems. We don't need more
Okay,
problems.
let's see if this works. We hit the button.
Yeah.
I heard noise.
Oh yeah.
No horn though.
Might be unplugged.
You want to try, Michael?
Let's do it.
Let's see.
All right, guys.
Excited?
Moment of truth.
Is our $8,000 Porsche worth it?
Let's see. So is it a push start, or you got to put the key in?
Yeah, you gotta put the key in.
No way.
So the key goes in. Turn it. Ooh, it's the right key so far.
Yeah, yeah.
Make sure it's in neutral. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What was that?
It sounded like the engine, like,
That was horrible.
because our subframe is cracked. Maybe that's why. Try it again.
Okay, my clutch is like all the way in.
Is it in gear? That's just neutral.
Beautiful.
Try it again.
Oh, don't crank it up.
That sounds horrible.
That's not good at all.
That's not good. We gotta make, well, maybe because the subframe's broken?
Maybe you gotta take that apart. It sounds like the axles are.
Maybe let's lift it up. Let me lift you up and we'll try it from the bottom.
You got a light?
Yeah, that's one of the things.
No, there's not.
I mean, the oil can looks good. All right, try it, Michael. Oh. Oh, the transmission's broken, Michael. The transmission case is busted. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the flywheel. Let me get a light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's the clutch. There's the bell housing missing. And there's that. Oh my goodness, I took a hit then. That's not good. Alright, there's no point in trying to start it.
Oh.
You might as well get out and look at this.
Let me look in there.
Wow, guys, so that's crazy. Basically, our worst fear. This thing is not running at all. That transmission's cracked in so many places, and who knows about the engine. It's spinning over, so that's a good news, but man, that is crazy. Did not see that coming. I mean, I know it was a risk from the beginning, but
didn't you look at the rear subframe?
I don't know how I missed that. I don't know. Underneath looked okay. I was like, all right, the cradle's messed up. I got that, but the whole bell housing, transmission, that's like
That's crazy.
that's really bad.
So I don't know, Michael. Maybe this should be a parts car.
That's crazy. We've been looking around, so we found one for $2,000, which is fairly reasonable, I would say, for a transmission. That's
$2,000 for transmission.
That's not bad. So $2,000 for a transmission. Should we do it? Should we go ahead and pull the trigger and get the transmission swapped, get that engine cradle swapped and all the other pieces and get it back on the road, or should we call it quits?
This is gonna be I mean, if we do fix it, I mean, this thing's adding up, you know, pretty quick. But at the same time, like, I don't know, I don't want it to just sit here.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we're already in it. I feel like we should just go ahead and do it, but at the same time, I don't know. Leave some comments down below, guys. I'm kind of sad. I don't know. I feel like that's all I can do for this video. You know, we gotta definitely think about it, what's gonna go on next, but unfortunately, that's all the time we have. Leave some comments down below. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for our support, guys. Catch you next time.